Today, for those action camera videographers, I will be unboxing a GoPro Max 3-in-1 camera that can record photos and videos in 360. Okay, let's take a look and see what we get in the case here. You have your QR code here to subscribe to GoPro. And how to put on the protective lenses. And you have a product question pamphlet here, little book. You've got your protective bag that contains the Max protective lenses. And there's two of them. You have your USB-C charging cable. You have your mount. You have the Max battery, which is different than the Hero battery, different size. And then you have your Max 360 camera. It comes with your protective lens covers and the screen protection here. Okay, let's take a look at this camera. In the front you have your touchscreen, have a microphone there, and one of the lenses on this side. On the side here you have your power button, another microphone, and another camera lens. On top you have your quick record button. On this side you have your slide door, and it's normally in that position. That shows it's locked. If it's red like that, the red is showing, it means it's not fully locked. And you can open it up there. Okay, unless you ordered the SD card with the camera, it usually doesn't come with it. If you need to get one, make sure you use a well-known brand of class 10 or UHS-1 micro SD, and anywhere from 64 gigabytes to 256. To insert it, you have the touchscreen on this side, the writing facing the same direction. Put it into the slot until it clicks right there, keeping the camera in the same direction with the touchscreen on front. To insert the battery, you put it in with the GoPro logo in the back, and with this little tab up here in the front, in the top here, and you slide it in all the way in, and close the door and lock it. It's important that if you close the door and it is showing that red little indicator there, that you move the tab up and close that completely, because otherwise it will not be water resistant to 16 feet. After installing the battery, you'll need to charge it. So you open up the door here, connect your charging cable to the USB-C, and the other end to a computer or a wall charger. Just make sure it's 5 volts and only running 1 to 2 amps. It'll take a couple of hours. And the light will turn red here as it's charging on both sides. Once the light turns off, that means the battery is fully charged. Okay, depending on what you use to charge the battery, the light should be off after a couple of hours. Unplug it and close the battery door here. Make sure that the red indicator has been covered up and locked. That will ensure that it will be water resistant up to 16 feet. Okay, now it's fully charged. Now we're ready to set it up. So pull out the 2 fingers underneath there. Okay, before setting it up, go ahead and download the GoPro app and install that if you haven't already. Okay, now that we've installed the app, we're ready to power up the camera. You select your language. You go ahead and read through the legal stuff there, and if you agree, go ahead and agree. Go ahead and set up the GPS and turn that on. Then you need to go to the GoPro app and add the camera to the app. Okay, it says to leave the camera on and follow the app instructions. So we're going to go to the app. And then we're going to add a camera up here. And it says we found your GoPro, so we're going to connect. And then you can name your GoPro. I'm going to go ahead and change the name to GoPro Max. I'm going to save the name. And then it's going to set up the Wi-Fi. It's going to ask for the password to your Wi-Fi. Okay, I finished setting up the Wi-Fi. Auto upload is on, and it will automatically upload to the cloud. And then you'll get highlight videos automatically when uploads complete. And then you have the camera is ready. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to update the firmware, and you go up here and click the three dots there, and it says the firmware is up to date, version 2.0, and then you can change how it auto uploads, and you can change the camera name if you need to, and remove the camera if you no longer want to use it. Hope you enjoyed this video upload of my GoPro Max unboxing and setup. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're shopping for a GoPro camera, you may want to check out my Hero 12 upload and the setup and unboxing of that camera. Thanks for watching.